Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming your Windows edition and architecture, so you pick the correct installer. Once done, export playlists and media paths. Make sure to back up to a separate drive so nothing is lost. Next, download the archived Windows Media Player installer and any legacy codec packs. This prevents interruptions during install. If Smart Screen flags the file, allow it via advanced options because legacy installers are unsigned. You'll revert settings later. Keep admin credentials ready to elevate the installer when prompted. You now remove modern replacements or conflicting updates so file associations don't break. Run the old WMP installer as administrator. Accept legacy components and any prompts about replacing newer versions. Once the player is installed, immediately add the codec pack you downloaded. This restores playback formats like WMA and WMV. Make sure to restart Windows after each major step. Restarting clears file locks and finalizes codec registration. If a Windows update reactivates a newer player, disable that specific update before proceeding. You finish by importing your backed up playlists and resetting file associations inside Windows Media Player's options so WMP is the default. Once set, disable automatic updates for the player and hold Windows Update for that component to avoid overwrites. If playback fails, reinstall the codec pack and re-register DLLs. When deeper faults occur, run System File Checker with sfc/scano to repair corrupted system files. If nothing works, create a system restore point and try a clean install from the archived package.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.